how do you replace GoHighLevel? What? I'm paying $3,500 a year for that trash. If you guys are tired of paying GoHighLevel, just quick plug, my academy, I give you a GoHighLevel replacement. All in one, has all the features, has the CRM, the website, the dashboard, all of that. I'll show you guys what the app looks like so you guys could actually see it. Like, all of this is what's possible to build with Claude Code. So let's get this. So this is a full GoHighLevel replacement, all-in-one CRM that you could get hosted for $5 a month. So this is important because I audit a lot of businesses like funnels and websites. If you have a website that is preventing you from making money online. John, I have this really nice Wix, Squarespace, GoDaddy, WordPress. Yeah, that is preventing you from making money. You need 2 funnels. If this is your first time hearing funnel, great. Funnels are how you turn attention into leads and then from leads into sales. 2 funnels to specifically focus attention towards one action. Here, I'm going to do test@gmail.com. Actually, I'll do Leroy at gmail.com. So this is a lead magnet form just to show that when a lead fills out a form, it automatically goes not only right into the CRM, I'll get a mobile notification. The lead will also get an email all automatically. And from my phone, I could just log in to my mobile app. Oh, I know, fancy, right? Nice. So this is a sales dashboard. So basically, this is modeled after some companies that are doing $1 million a month. What are the KPI and metrics they need to run their company? And so this is how we're basically replacing GoHighLevel with something custom like this, because business owners need to know their metrics when they wake up in the morning. They need to know what's the monthly revenue, what's the revenue today, how many orders have happened, what are their Instagram and YouTube followers, is it growing, is it declining, where are they getting their leads or source from, is it from email, Facebook, Google, what's the percentage between organic and paid ads. And then if we go into the CRM, we can see there's Leroy Jenkins. And now we have Leroy Jenkins as a new contact comes in. I'm not paying for Zapier. I'm not paying for Make.com. I'm not paying for NAN. All of that becomes irrelevant because the whole thing is written by code, all the automation, and hosted on Railway for $5 a month. So if you're paying $5 a month for your website, CRM, calendar booking system, analytics, payment processor, all the other things, that email marketing, you're getting ripped off now, because now there's no point renting your SaaS. That is no longer going to be a thing after this year. Business owners are already using Claude Code to build their own custom CRMs that has everything from analytics, so they can see how many views and visits and bounce rate, all of this. And it's all built using Claude Code and customized using Claude Code. I have a couple clients and we are moving all of their websites and funnels from GoHighLevel, and Claude is rebuilding all of them inside of this so that you can basically run your entire business for $5 a month and customize it any way you want. This is scary because business owners who own their tech stack, they can ship up to 60 updates of automation a week. I'll say that again, 60 updates of automation every single week they can add to their business. Meanwhile, if you want to make one update in GoHighLevel, you know that's going to take a week. And you know it's not going to be automated. And you know it's only one part in GoHighLevel, and you have 13 other tools outside GoHighLevel. So already you're like, GoHighLevel's not automated. They say it's automated. It's not really automated. I got to pay someone, and even they don't know how to use it. And it takes like a week to get anything done. And it's like, why are you holding on to such an abusive relationship? It's like Windows. Stop holding on to an abusive relationship that's draining your time, draining your money, and preventing you from playing with all the cool. AI moves so fast. So if you guys want that, the templates, we have the GoHighLevel template. We have a course automation template. I give you done for you systems in my academy. I don't want to give you like subscriptions that you're never going to pay for. I'm not going to teach you prompts. I'm not going to teach you co-work. I'm not going to teach you things that won't make you money. I'm teaching all-in-one systems that business owners can literally implement AI into their business. So if you want to have a business that actually has AI running on it, come join. You get the templates, you use them in your business. We have the AI avatars, content automation in here. That's the whole goal of the academy. Give you done for you systems so that you don't have to build it from scratch, because it'll take a lot of time. So that is, from that, now you can automate all the daily admin stuff.